Backpack.
Produced by
Shout out, man, Team
on
Backpack.
Team
Give me this opportunity. This is DV Division. Check it, yo. God, forgive me for my blasphemies. Forget the ignorance of these niggas coming after me. Forgive me 70 times, 7 heavenly minds. Set in my prime, measure my win seconds, only measure the time. I'm on freeze. I beat myself up to cut tracks, the songs bleed, they high. Can't be touched, pockets on E and still I ride. Like that trusty car that deals by. Instead of occasional sluts, I still slide. I need a good girl that's still shy, even though we never will vibe. I want the wedding ring I never will buy. You hear repetitive radio play, just listen quiet. They on the same riot. Changed eyes, can't lie, like a dick, I ain't biased. What's so special about planes if you can't fly? What's the message to your boss? Tell us who you are, what is a star, who did it all? Tell us who was involved, who do you call when they ghost on your folks? I got that fire for the bread now. Everybody toast, I'm on Viking in the red line. Leaving dreads line, tongues in the lead line. It's my rap for the deadline.
To auditions.teambackpack.net.